A powerful winter storm hitting the Northeast and flights across the country now feeling the impact. Here at Charlotte Douglas, we're already seeing 50 flights canceled, 8 delayed. That number will likely grow throughout the day. Yesterday, we saw 160 flights canceled and over 150 delayed.
WCNC Charlotte's Richard Devane joins us live this morning from the airport with how travelers can prepare despite this uncertainty. Richard.
Yeah, the best bet, Lisa, is to call ahead. Good morning to you. Good morning, Ben. Good Tuesday morning. Now, it's Tuesday here at Charlotte Douglas. Normally, this is what the airport looks like, but it's going to be even slower today for a lot of travelers, especially those travelers. Well, we're here at the big board who are heading to the Northeast. New York, LaGuardia, New York, JFK, I'm sure as well. You see the cancellations. Also, you see Boston, all because of that storm that is barreling down on the Northeast. Now, the storm is causing major headaches for air travelers all around the country, especially those heading to the Northeast or having connections through the Northeast. Across the region, there's heavy snow. High winds have forced thousands of flight delays and cancellations at major hubs like New York, Boston, Philadelphia, with more than 8,000 flights affected thus far. Now, that disruption is rippling through the national network, including right here, Charlotte Douglas International, where airlines have canceled more than 150 flights and delayed dozens more as weather and staffing challenges mount up, as we can well imagine. Of course, that's going to leave a lot of passengers caught without a way to get to their final destination.
We're just in the airport. We don't know what we're going to do.
Yeah, just one of probably the millions or hundreds, I should say, or thousands of people who are having troubles trying to get to their destinations. Those folks who are affected by flights like this. The best advice, as we always tell you, pick up your phone, call ahead, or check mobile apps to make sure your flight isn't affected. We're right here at Charlotte Douglas. Richard Devane, we'll send it back to you.